In today's starter series video, I am going to be covering pets, everything that you need to know to start using pets in DeFi Kingdoms. So I'm going to be covering hatching eggs, buying pets, selling pets, and equipping pets in pet treats. So with all that said, let's get started. So today's video, we're going to be covering everything pets, from hatching to equipping. So first thing you need to do is you either need to go buy some eggs or you need to earn some eggs from questing. Now all your profession quests will drop eggs. It is a rather low drop rate. So you can either wait for them to drop or you can go to the marketplace. And we are on Serendale. I will cover everything on Crystal Vale after we cover it here. So you go to the central marketplace, you can go to the trader. If you click down here, select tokens, you just type in here, egg, it'll give you all your different kinds of eggs. So if you want to buy an egg, let's say you want blue eggs, you can buy 10 of them if you want. They are not expensive, 0.5 clay. I already have eggs, so I'm not going to be buying no eggs. But after you have your eggs, you can either click here, that'll shift you over to here, and you can go to the hatcher. Or if you click here, go to the Eastern Marketplace, same thing. Or straight from the map if you want to do it from the map. You can go to the marketplace, you can go to the Eastern Marketplace. Same thing, the hatcher. Or if you want, you can use this. Eastern Marketplace. Go over here. You have all your stuff here. Incubate eggs. That'll bring you right into here. But let's go to the hatcher. Let's incubate some eggs. Okay, so now we have our eggs. Now we need to decide how to hatch them. Okay, well, it looks like, let's see if we got enough to craft green eggs. So you got Gaia's Favor. Now this one is going to be your cheapest way to hatch. But if you look down here, your mythic chance is 0.2%, legendary is 2% rare. And if you go up to Gaia's Grace, it goes a little bit higher. You get a little bit better percentage. If you go to Boon, that's my favorite to use. That jumps it all the way up to 2%, as opposed to 1% or 2%, because you're going to want your mythics. They're all useful, but your mythics are going to be your better choices. So that's why I choose Gaia's Boon. And you need 50 jade, 5,000 gold, 200 tears, and you need spider fruit, and you need blue stem. And that is if you want the green eggs. Green eggs are for foraging. Blue eggs are for fishing. Gray eggs are for foraging. Did I say foraging for this? Green eggs are fishing. Or green eggs are gardening. Boy, I'll get it right sometime. Yellow will be mining, but it's not out yet. And then gold, we don't know what that's going to be. There's been rumors that it's going to be mounts and all kinds of different things. But as you see, if you go to the gray eggs, these materials are going to change. You go to the green eggs, different materials. So, in order to hatch an egg, you want to pick whichever choice you're going to pick up here. I almost always do Gaia's Boon. And then you can select how many you want to do here. For this video on Serendale, I'm going to do 1. And then when we switch over to Crystal Vale, I'm going to do 10. You can do in bulk or you can do single. So then you just hit the start. And this is just for a single egg hatch. confirm. Then you just got to wait for the transaction to go through. It went through, and now you got to wait 20 seconds. It's counting down. So that's my green egg. Let's see what kind of pet we got. We got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, it's not that quick. But really, it's not that long. Then you just hit start incubation or start hatching, whatever it said there. And then it'll complete. And what did we get? Oh, we got a rare one. And it's a gardener. Of course, that's what I picked. And it has a crafting bonus. Flip it over. You got bountiful harvest. So increases chance of harvesting plants by 53% while gardening. Mysterious rare leatherworking bonus. So these, we don't know what the bonuses are yet. Crafting hasn't come out yet, so we don't really know what they are. Now, that's how you hatch an egg. So the first thing you're going to have to do is hatch an egg to get a pet. Or if you want, you can go over here, go to pets, and then you can go to buy pets. And then you can go in here and figure out which ones you want to buy. As you see, they're starting at 35 jade. So they're really cheap to buy for pets. And in here you have all your same filters. You're gathering. These are all the different boosts that you can get from gathering. You know, you got your gathering bonus rarity. If you click this up, that's going to change. It didn't change. There we go. Now it's changing. So your rarity, see your stars over here? That's your gathering bonus rarity. So the more stars, the better. You can get a total of 3 stars. You can get one for the gathering quest, one for the crafting bonus, and one for the combat bonus. Combat bonuses are good for duels right now, and that's about it, because you can't use them in boar hunts or anything like that. Now, pets are not completely useless in boar hunts because you get the experience bonus. So, with that said, that is how you hatch or how you can buy a pet. So now let's go over to Sarendale, or not Sarendale, Crystal Vale. You can click on here. It'll have you switch wallets. Or you can just click up here and switch in there, which we're already switched, so we can't do that. So, is where you go to hatch your pets. On Crystal Vale, it's the same thing. You just go to the marketplace, and you can go over to the hatcher, which is right here. Then it's the same thing. You can go through here, but you want incubate eggs. So, we're going to do gardening again. Gaia's Boon. So you can hit max. Oh, maybe not gardening. Maybe it was foraging ones I did. Max. Was it foraging? Maybe I did fishing. Yep, fishing is the one I got. I had to make sure I had enough materials to do this in the stream. So it's the same thing. You just pick them, and then after you do it, you can either use these arrows to click up, and you notice the totals in here change. So once you get up to 10, you need all these. Oh, I don't need 11, I need 10. So as you see, I need 500 crystal, 50 gold, 50,000 gold, 2,000 tiers, and then 500 and 500. So it's 50 each. And then as you see, since I picked Gaia's Boon, I got a 2% chance. So it's the same thing, just a little different place to find it. And then we are going to hatch the 10. So you got to confirm it. And it failed. Really wish you all would fix these fails. Incubate eggs. Boom. Max 10. Yes. Start incubation. Confirm. And it started going through. You got the pending up there. So it's going to be the same process as doing just one, and instead you're doing 10. You can do a max of 100 at a time. I like to do 50 at a time because I find solely superstition, but I find if I do 50 at a time, I tend to get more mythics. Now, like I said, it's purely superstition or whatever you want to call it, but that's just the way I usually like to do it. But right now I really only got enough to do 10 at a time. So let's incubate. Let's see what we get here. Confirm. Confirm. There we go. Let's see what we get. It'll take a little while for the transaction to go through. It's all good. There we go. Just keep waiting, and then they pop up. See, 3 are done now. I usually just like to wait till all 10 come in. 9, 10. Then look here, I got a common, fishing. Nothing special. You can flip it with this little corner over here, clutch collector. So that means I get a 12% increased chance of getting eggs when he's equipped. And we have an uncommon. He's got fishing and a combat bonus. And he's a bountiful catch. What else do we got? Another uncommon. Not too bad so far. He's an astute angler. He's a mysterious. Oh, yeah, the crafting bonus, you don't know what they are. So his element, if you look here, his element is ice. His variant is normal. Let's see what else we got. Number 4, oh, we got a rare Emberling. I like these Emberlings. They're kind of cool. So we got a 1-star fishing and a 2-star combat. And he's an astute angler. Not bad. Another rare. We got a snail. We got a 2 and 2. That's good. Efficient angler. He's a water element. He's a rare. Next, we have just a fishing bonus. He's got a chance catching high value fish. Fortune seeker. So all the information you need is on these cards. He's got an ice bonus. Number 7, what do we got? A Star Kid. Bountiful bonus bounty. Gains 24% chance to receive an extra item roll with fishing. He's an ice element. Those elements are supposed to become valuable when we start crafting, which don't really matter. You don't got a crafting bonus, which we don't know how that works. So, we got a rare. Got a rare crab. Bountiful catch, 65%. That's really not that bad for a rare. 9, dragonfly. Increased chance of catching multiple fish by 64%. Not bad. 10, an uncommon, a penguin. He's got the combat bonus. Increased efficient fishing skill by, what did that say? 14. All right, so that's all of them. So now that we've created a bunch, where are these pets? Well, they're over here. Click on the pets. It's going to show all your different pets. See, these pets currently, they have partners. They're equipped. Next, I am going to show you how to equip the pets. So, before we equip the pets, we need to make some pet treats. So you go over here to the hatcher, or not the hatcher, the pet treats maker. Craft pet treats. And you can craft a regular pet treat, or you can craft a premium pet treat. A regular pet treat, a treat with just enough nutrition to keep your pet full for 3 days. So you can only keep them full for 3 days with the regulars. Now the premiums, a treat packed full of enough nutrients to keep your pet full for 10 days. So you also have on the premium treats, it doesn't say it there, but you get an experience bonus also if you use the premium treats. Now to craft a treat, let's say I want to craft a regular treat. You can pick any 2 of these items in here, and if you see it, it's going to take 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 4. Now, I'm not going to cover which one's the cheapest because it constantly changes. But basically, you pick 2 different ones, and now you can make a treat. I already have 215, so I'm not going to make a treat. But let's just make one anyway, so you can add it to the queue. And then you can go and you can view the queue, and this is where you're going to make it. So it costs 25 gold, 1 shimmer skin, 1 iron scale, and that's going to make 1 regular treat. So these are the 2 that you pick, and this is the gold that it cost. So then you can just hit craft all, and then you will have to approve it. Whoop, there we go. And now you approve it, and you need treats to equip your pets, and we'll go over that here as soon as I'm done with this. And I normally just use regular pet treats because I'm not doing a whole lot of leveling right now. And, you know, we might go over some leveling in a different video that's coming up. I think leveling is the next one I'm making. So let's get out of here. I don't care if it passes or fails. So now you can go to your heroes. And this is how you equip a pet. So let's see here. This pirate, what is he? He's a gardener. Okay, we should have some gardening pets. So you can go to manage equipment, or you can just click on this here. Just either one's going to bring you to this menu. So you can go to bond pet, and this is going to give you all your pets. Now this guy's a gardener, so you don't want to use a forager pet. You don't want to use a fishing pet. So if you go over here to gathering, go to gardening, apply. Now all the gardening pets are going to come up. So let's just double check to make sure that hero was a gardener. Yep, gardening. So we're going to want to bond. Okay, so we got to go back over here, select gardening, apply. So it looks like all my gardeners have, or all my gardening pets are equipped. Okay, so let's choose a different one. All right, so what did we hatch? We hatched fishers. So let's find a fisher. All right, we got a monk fisher, right? Monk fishing. Okay, so manage equipment, bond, gathering, fishing, apply. So we're going to want to equip a pet. So now I generally try and keep my pets matched up. So we got the Emberling, we got the snail. I like to match up rare pets with rare heroes. You don't have to, that's just the way I do it. So astute angler skill increases by 33%. What's this one? Increases experience gained from fishing quest by 20%. Well, that's a pretty good one. All right, let's go down here. Let's go back to basic. Let's just choose rare pets and see which ones all come up. All right, that's the 2 we already looked at. Everything else is already bound. So we're going to do this one. So we don't have no premium treats, so we can't select premium treats, but we do have regular treats. So you click bond with regular treats. Now you can either do it and be all good, or you can go do another one. So let's pick another one. By the way, to get out of that, you just click off the thing, or you can hit the little X arrow up here. So let's bond this other one. Uh-oh. Yeah, that was another rare fisher. Let's pick a non-rare fisher. Here we go. Bond. So now we can go down here. Common and uncommon. All right. So what do we got here? Let's equip this one. Runic Discovery. Oh yeah, we always need runics. So we picked that one. Now we can view equipment queue. See, now both of them are in there. We can submit, and that'll equip both of them, and they are fed for 3 days. So in 3 days, we will have to come back through and feed them. And that's what I will cover next, is how to feed them after you've already equipped them. So let's just wait for that to go through. And then you'll be able to see that they are equipped with pets now. So you see the little green, how it's green there now? That means it's equipped with a pet. And you can see them in here. There's your pet. All right, so let's get out of there. So now if we go to pets, and see now, I didn't really show that very good. See how it's got the little stomach here? That means you got some pets that are hungry. So you can go in here, you got your pet feeding button right there. You can click on that. We're going to use regular treats. Oh, only one's hungry. Because see how it clicked up 1 to 200? 216 pet treats, so we're only going to have to use one. So we just click the view feeding queue right here. Feed all. And there we go. Just confirm. Confirm. There we go. Now we just need to wait for it to go through. We're all good. By the way, guys, if you ever get one of these stuck up here, that's how you can get rid of that. Just go in here to this little thing here, click on your code, clear all, and that'll clear it off of there. I just find it annoying being up there, so I get rid of it. All right, so that is how you feed your pets, how you equip your pets, how you hatch your pets. Now let's go look at our pets. We can click here. It says I still got hungry pets. I wonder if I just got to refresh to get that to go away. Let's see if it goes away. Yep, see, now it's all gone. Goodbye, bye. So, you want to view your pets. You can go in here. Oh, look, another one's hungry now all of a sudden. So, these are all your pets. You got your sell pets, equipped pets. So, they're all equipped. And if you want to sell one, if you just got to click the sell button, then you just pick your price you want to put in there and then approve, which we're not going to sell any today. But that's how you can sell them. Oh, see, that one's questing. But if you go over to, these are all the different bonuses. You know, if you ever want to know what each one of these bonuses is, you can just go to second chance. Some pets are going to come up. You can read it. Oop, that's not what I wanted to do. So let's get out of there, go back into pets. You can click the pet catalog. Yeah, there you go. And now you can go through and you can look at all the different pets if you want that are out there. You can also do the buy pets. I already kind of showed you that. Then you can do my pets, and that'll give you all that information. So Now, you can get pretty detailed about matching up pets with your heroes and all that stuff, but honestly, right now, I believe most of that is just speculation. So I don't really know how to share any of that. They're all fed. You won't let me feed anymore. So why do you have the stomach on there? Must be getting close. Oh, well, he's a ways away. But anyways, that's how pets work. I believe I covered everything you need to know about pets. So if you have any more questions or if I missed anything, please leave a comment down below. And if you are looking for more how-to videos when it comes to DeFi Kingdoms, please subscribe. I'm hoping to get out at least one tutorial a week on DeFi Kingdoms. So thanks for watching and have a good day.